Hey guys, this is Chef May coming again with a very quick video on how to make a quick chili and cornbread. So you're gonna get all your seasonings together. We're using ground turkey today. You wanna pop that into the pan. Go ahead and get that nice and brown. Add all your spices in there. And you know we love thyme. So we're gonna add some thyme, using lots of it. Get that well incorporated with your seasonings. And then after that, I'm going to be using 2 cans of beans. That's a quick tidbit on how to stretch your chili. And just add more beans. And we here adding a pasta sauce. I'm using Prego today. And then I'm going to go ahead and get that nice well incorporated and just mix that all in. I'm just also going to go ahead and I am going to be adding a little bit of sugar to this. The reason why we do so is to break up the tartness of the pasta sauce. So once you do so, I only do about 1 scoop. Get that nice well incorporated, mix that right on up. We're gonna go ahead and start with our cornbread. So go ahead and choose whichever one of your choice. I'm using almond milk and extra virgin olive oil. I do add a scoop of sugar to give it a nice sweet taste. And then go ahead and you add almond milk. Add a little bit more than what's instructed. You want more of a cake batter consistency, not that kind of clumpy consistency if you follow the instructions. You want to actually do a little bit more than what the instructions tell you. But And there you have it, guys, a nice way to cheat a box cornbread. I want you guys to comment below, see if you want more videos like this. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye.